Say Happy
Happy
Halloween.
Halloween. You say trick or treat?
Nope.
Nope.
And I hate these horns.
There. Oh. Oh. No good. No good. No.
Hi, Eric.
Oh. Ready? There we go. See if we can throw the horns.
Oh.
No, no, no. Okay, here we go.
Where are you going? There's your shoes. Hi, Devil Bear. Yeah.
Hey. Yeah. Do you want... No.
No. Just see him shake his head at you. No.
No. That's right. Halloween.
See, she's trying to get him to attack her.
That's right. That's the candy. That's right.
Are you ready to go bye-bye?
You want to go bye-bye?
Bye-bye?
Okay. All
All
right.
right. Bye, Eric.
Can you say bye-bye?
Can you blow a kiss? Blow a kiss. Good job. Yeah.